you would like to delete all your personal information and records of the iMRS Prime control unit, you would use the button Factory Reset. Remember, once performed, all your personal information such as pre-programmed settings, records from previous applications will be completely deleted. In order to do that, just press again the reset button here, and obviously the system asks you whether you are sure to perform this action. If you again tap on reset, the system will perform the process. I will not do this right now because I want to move on with the videos, so I go on cancel, and in this case the system goes back to the settings menu.